What's up guys? So today I am planning to throw my stock wheels back on because winter season is approaching very soon. So I figured, why not make a vlog? It's been a while since I made a video. So I don't know how this day is gonna go, but the first stop is the bank. So let's go there. So I just pulled up to this park. I'm really liking the location. I want to shoot the car, so I want to get a little edit in for that as well. I'm gonna do a little walk around of the car, just go through what parts I'm running, what upper control arms, what lower control arms and stuff I'm running. So up in the rears, I have P2M rear upper control arms. I was previously running part shop max lower control arms, but my axles were like this close to popping out all the time. So I switched to uppers, and now I'm basically matching camber with the front and rear. Up in the front, we're still running the same. I did go a little bit lower again, just to even out that uneven rake that I had before. So this is how the car is basically sitting right now. I'm pretty satisfied with it. Later in the future, I do kind of want to run spacers and add more camber, but it's a daily for now. Also, the car is super dirty. I know. I don't care to wash it because it's gonna rain in 2 days anyway. I'm gonna just try to make this little edit, and I'm gonna try to do this like dirty car aesthetic thing. Okay, anyway, so let's roll the edit.
Weezy out of here. Weezy out. Weezy out. Lot of money, I can have a cash. Boy, flew back across the water with a passport. Lamborghini yours, it's fast. I'm around the world securing me a bad boy. Call the bro neighbor like a next door. Those worst cat carpet in the floor, boy. $100,000 on all toys. Those stylist people calling me a drill lord. Keep it hardcore, how at it while I'm riding me time for. Show real, yeah. Riding these niggas I kill for. We still tough niggas and we ain't switching, we the same us. One the real one and ain't changed, White Range Rover with beige guts. Can't save her, I'ma kick out after I slave her. Nigga got sauce, I got flavor. That's the fifth whole joke that I paid for.
Alright, I hope y'all enjoyed that little edit. Now let's go put on the stock wheels. Got the car in the garage, and now I need to roll it up on a 2x4 because the low pro jack still does not fit. So we roll it on this square block. Car is on the 2x4. Now I am going to jack it up. Time to take off the wheel now. I also forgot to mention, I did order spacers to run with stock wheels because I know the fitment's gonna look at the sky. Anyways, I know the fitment is gonna look hella whack without the spacers, and my one main concern was that I was scared that it's gonna be hitting like the upper wheel well because of all the camber that I'm running. So yes, I did order spacers, 25 mil from Garage Line. They make really good spacers. Let's put these on and torque them to spec, and then let's see how the stock wheels fit with the 25 mil. I just want me on Mercedes. first wheel on with the spacer. It's not terrible. Could be worse. Now imagine that without a spacer. We gotta see what it looks like on the ground though, but let's... Alright, so I just got done putting on the wheels and the spacers. Pulled up to Walmart because I need to check the tire pressures. I need to buy that little tire pressure gauge checker thing. So here's how the car is sitting on the stock wheels and spacers. Doesn't look too bad. It's a little bit sunken in. But imagine how sunken in it would be without the spacers. Anyways, I'm gonna go inside and buy that tire pressure gauge checker thing.
I feel like
This one? 96 cents. Yeah?
Mm-hmm.
I also need to buy some oil because my car is low on oil. I know that sounds really bad, but it's not that low, but it needs to be topped off. Alright, so I just got finished with my day. I'm gonna wrap this video up. There should be new videos coming soon. I don't know of what, but I'm gonna try to go out and shoot more once the new season hits. And I'm planning to redo my fitment next season, so stay tuned for that. If you guys aren't following my Instagram or TikTok yet, go follow. Here's the @ yeah.
Lot of money, I can have a cash. Boy, flew back, cross water with a passport. Lamborghini, yours is fast. I've been around the world securing me a bag.